Planet cake. To make the dreamy planet cake, we will need 400 grams white chocolate, 500 milliliter hot water, color mist, 1 cake ball mold, 400 grams sponge cake, 300 milliliters whipped cream, and some candy decorations. First things first, drag the glass bowl into the hot water. Let's peel off the chocolate paper wrap. Fabulous! Solo!
It's so funny.
Keep stirring until it's nice and smooth.
Great! Earth, Mars, Mercury, fairies, and princess. Which planet is your favorite? Aha! Now let's start to make a chocolate ball shell. Nice! Spray the dreamy colors into the molds. Beautiful! I know what I want. Then simply pour the melted chocolate into the molds. Fabulous! I know what I want. Let's wrap the molds with melted white chocolate. Pour the chocolate into the right circle.
Yummy! Good job!
Freeze the chocolate shells and circle for about 30 minutes.
Well done! Good job!
Good! Let's paint some beautiful planet texture onto the chocolate shells. Beautiful! Now fill the chocolate shell with a yummy sponge cake.
Wonderful.
Great choice! Seal the cake with another chocolate shell. Look at this lovely chocolate planet. It's so adorable. Finally, add the chocolate circle onto the cake.
Well done.
It's time for surprises. Hit the chocolate planet cake with this mini hammer. Wow, it's so funny. Let's try again.
Lovely.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yummy.
Let's ring for food.
Voila!